What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new to the family, welcome to my family. I hope you stay. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment and like and click the notification bell, all that good stuff. But today I am back with a clean with me video. It is a vlog style, so it is a bit more informal. So I hope you guys can enjoy. This video is in partnership with BLACK+DECKER SA, and today is all about the 3-in-1 cordless, yes, cordless vacuum. And I am gonna be cleaning around the house, giving it just a quick clean before I get back to the books. So I thought, why not take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys can enjoy this video, and let's get cleaning. Okay guys, so I have made the bed. So we've been here for a month. We moved in a month ago. We still don't have the mirrors up. We still don't have the artwork and the other mirrors and stuff up. I'll insert a picture of how it should look, but I'm planning to get that done very soon. And yeah, but I'm just gonna clean the floors, and yeah, then I think I'm gonna mop, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the star of the show. This is the BLACK+DECKER, a 3-in-1 cordless stick vacuum, and it is absolutely amazing. So this is obviously the body of the vacuum, so it's a little bit dusty because I've used it before, but this is basically where all your dust and debris will collect, and it's so easy to remove and clean out. I will show you guys as soon as I'm done cleaning. And this is the extension tube, so if you want to use it while you're standing, you can definitely use this. And this is so nifty because if you want to clean the couch or get into some nooks and crannies, or if you're vacuuming your car, you can definitely use that. And this couch over here, speaking of a couch, I'm gonna give this a clean. And then obviously we've got our floor head, so this is what goes on the floor. And then we've obviously got the charger, so this is where you see your vacuum's battery life. And once it is fully charged, it can run for up to 38 minutes. So you can vacuum everywhere you need to vacuum, and then just pop it back into the charger. So let's get to assembling and let's get cleaning. What would a cleaning session be without a playlist? So I'm literally just picking a playlist. I'm loving everything from EL World, so I'm gonna pick this one. Yep. Alright guys, so this is our study area. It is still a work in progress. I actually got that new plant, so I love it so much. So I wanted to show you guys how cool this vacuum is. So the floor head over there can actually turn. So if you are vacuuming this way, for example, you can turn it against the wall so that you can get into all those nooks and crannies. So it can turn 180 degrees, and obviously in the opposite direction as well. So I'm just gonna give this place a quick speed clean, and then I'll get back to you guys later. So I am done with the house. And now I want to switch out that floor head and put in the head so that I can give this couch a nice clean. It is looking a little bit, yeah, but I'm going to puff it up. I'm going to give it a nice clean, and we've got some dust. So I'm just going to take off the head and I will show you guys. Okay, so I put on the small head and look at all the dust. we've accumulated so far. So this honestly is so good in getting rid of dust. So let's try it. Yeah, right there. A feature that I just discovered and I absolutely love. So as you can see, there are no bristles, but when you just pop this outwards, we got some bristles. So if you want to like give it a brush while you vacuum, then you can definitely do that. I think this is also so nifty if you're going to be using it for the car. So when you are doing the corners of like the floor of your car, this brush can really come in handy. And I think for the couch as well, because sometimes there's a little bit of dust and other things that the brush can help get rid of. So let me finish this up and then we will wrap up this video very soon. This little head is also so nifty to clean like your windowsill, because you can literally put the brush up and get like all the small debris. I just killed a fly over there. So we're going to clean that up and I love it. So I am finally done and it's time to look at the damage. Let's see how much dust we've got. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Guys, this is insane. And if you looked at the floors, they didn't look dirty at all. But would you look at this? So I'm just going to empty this out and it's very, very easy. So you just turn the vacuum that way. You literally press this button, push it down, and you literally lift this up. So let's try it. Press this button, push it down, and you just literally lift this up. How easy. So now this is where all the dust is. All you have to do is just pinch your fingers here, lift this up, take the dust out, and put it back together again. So that is it for my clean with me video. Whew. I am actually so tired and yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower now, get dressed and get ready to study. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this product. Honestly, it's so convenient and it makes my life so much easier, especially also when you have like quick spills. You can use it on the countertops literally with the small head, or you can use it on the floor, on the windowsills, on the skirting. The list goes on and on. It is just such a versatile product and it is so friendly and easy to use. But before this video becomes too long, so don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and until next time, God bless and bye bye.